God. I just chain gang, nigga, a whole lot of shit. Feel me? Fuck my own.
30 shots up in the Glock. I pray that a nigga play. Riding some fast shit, 200 on the interstate. I hope I don't see the Jakes. If I do the race. We used to eat noodles, now a nigga eating shipping steak. I heard that the arts say they paid to get beaten if dead, but that shit ain't happen, so I hope they didn't spend that bread. Before I let a fuck nigga play, he gon' feel that lead. If it gun play, bitch, I'm ready, then that's how we play it. He say that he gang, but he ain't gang. That little boy that's scared. Fuck a lead shot, I want him dead. We gon' hit it head. God can't even help you, little nigga. Ain't no need in prayer. I been running since I'm 17, so what the fuck you saying?
Pressure, hang with number steppers. Say some slick, can't help you. Shit, I fuck with everybody, bitch. Please don't think you special. It's a closed case. Put a yellow tape, a Glock a measure. I came in here like a Ricky, but I'm hot just like the desert. Fast step in, I'm gon' in the wind. You ain't catching me. Dice game, nigga, show 100. You ain't betting me.
Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Book. Just left the house, man. Got a little meet in North Carolina tonight, man. A little swing meet, you know what I'm saying? But hey, once I get to where I'm going, I'ma tune back in, man. Stay tuned. My dumb ass been thinking I recorded. What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say, bro?
What I gotta say? You about to turn the fuck up, bro.
Facts.
Well, look at all these black cars.
I said everything black.
Now we got another Camaro with us.
Who's that?
Oh, dude.
What's that old dude?
Hey, we got another Camaro. Y'all Camaro gang strong tonight. We just got an SS to ride with us.
Okay. This will. What you got to say to the folks, man?
Hey, bro, look, we about to be live tonight, bro. Shout out to the gang, yo, hotel tomorrow, yo.
Facts. What is that? Tell them what you got, man. That boy got that thing. What you got to say to the people, man? You might as well hit a dance, Tyree. I know you want to. What don't want to dance? What's up, boy? You can't hit. What you got to say?
Hey.
That's all you got to say to the people? That's all she want to say, bro. She's so lame. Yeah. Yeah, I was about to tell you that. The man don't even know who Book is. I'm the same person, bro. What you got to say to the YouTube, man?
I don't know, I hope we have fun. You already know. About to have hella fun today, bro. Get the vlog.
People need a light. Real ice when it's sound in the night. I don't fuck with you niggas. Why you giving me?
Quick stop, man. Hey, y'all know how we get down, though, man. Y'all know how we get down, though, man. Yes, sir. What you got to say, bro?
Bro, my squad roll out the hardest. We lit. We lit. Oh, God. Thank God, bro. Oh, God. Squad, you already know the fuck going on. I ain't even gotta say too much. You know what's coming.
Well, we halfway through the drive. Y'all got to recap. I did about right, but hey, my boy went in the grass for me. What you got to say? Yes, sir. Oh!
I'm vibes when I first hit the mic, boy, I knew I was coming up. They were mad cause them niggas couldn't run with us. Acting hard, but I knew they weren't tough enough. Now I get to the money, gotta run it up. Try to pull up beside me, I'm leaving you. No juice, ain't no reason to be with you. Killer beat, see to me, ain't nothing new. Can't fall with the hoe, had to run it through. Run that boy out his shoes, he ain't want nothing. It's a party, I'm just tryna have a little fun. But the pole, he ain't pulling out no gun. Took off on him, now they tryna hit him on the run.
Take a nigga shit like Devo. These niggas choking like they can't make a goddamn free throw. Two but I got the juice. I ain't worried about that nigga and that crew. I really came from a penny. Freak a little bit. She wanna suck on the Jimmy. How can they stay on?
Ooh. You get what you can afford. Tell them again. Tell them again. Tell them again. Yeah. What you gotta say?
I had to start off with a P6 CAMARO and work my way up to a SCAT pack.
It was slow, wasn't it? It was slow, was it? Yes or no?
What?
Yo, damn
Man, get your
Camaro.
Jake from State Farm ass out my goddamn camera. Nigga, poster boy for goddamn.
It's okay, cause I got you about how many cars?
35 in a 55.
I got you about how many cars? I got you about how many cars?
You ain't got me for shit.
Hell! I got the
My
video.
boy take out you though.
Well. Yeah, it's just a photo shoot.
Hey, yeah, did you
What did he say?
Yeah, he said we good. But he said don't do no burnouts.
Did you tell him we was taking pictures?
No, burnout.
I pulled out the camera. I said, nah, I'm just taking pictures of the car. That's all I'm doing. That's all we do. We can slide it through.
Good save, good save.
What you got to say to these folk, man? Say something for the YouTube people.
Fuck 12.
I heard my name and everybody get quiet. I was like,
Boy, scared of the police.
hell yeah, I'm scared of the police. I can't run. I'm in the inline 6. The fuck? We still gonna be running. I don't give a fuck. You might have to skip. I ain't running for shit. You gotta have to
What you gonna do then?
We're gonna sit there. We are the same.
Oh God!
Every time we race, he pulls on me by a car.
Okay, but
that's
who can drive better?
Motherfucker, who can drive better? We both drive good.
Yeah,
exactly. So shut the fuck up. You
No.
can't drive the shit. You drive a Mini Cooper.
No.
You got got by a 4 points. You got got by a 99 Jeep.
Hey, somebody did.
You got got by a 99 Jeep. I would still beat the fuck out of you. No, he's not gonna do it. He's trying to park.
Man, we just got here. This time to go, bro. Why they keep doing this? Man, you know what? I don't even think we're going home though. We gonna wait it up.
About doing tricks, handstand, my homie out gas, red man, we ready for war, Afghanistan, these niggas be a pussy.
Man, we just got to the new spot, you know what I'm saying? Still in the game. Y'all stay tuned.
Calm down. Saved the first video. I deleted it.
That boy going stupid. Yes, sir. That nigga crazy. That boy going down. Hey man. Hey man. Hey. What you gotta say, man?
Oh, these niggas wild tonight.
Yeah, so what you gotta say, man?
That's fucking sick.
Yes, sir.
He opened the goddamn door.
That boy Paul with it.
Open the damn door. Yeah, that shit crazy.
Doing donuts.
in the fucking parking lot.
I say
You don't say shit about that.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
oh, my bad, bro.
That was already done. But I ain't no point in me snitching on y'all. Like I said,
Word.
I got him for camera work.
Facts.
I was whipping that shit. I was just trying to get all that shit.
Word.
That's one way y'all do what y'all do now. I don't give a damn. Just hit the gas, goddamn shit.
Hey, that's how you live life. Just hit the gas.
Thank you, bro. Word.
I'm gonna get a bumper sticker that says what's a break.
Facts.
What is a break?
Them meat crazy, no cap. 8 o'clock, 12. But we ain't even gonna leave.
They just moving out the way.
Oh, so they ain't call the police?
Nah, the police already came. They said
Corona tonight, bro.
Yes, sir. That's the Dodge Brothers?
yeah, Dodge Brothers.
They not with the other Dodge, though?
No, they from North Carolina.
Oh.
These Dodge Brothers, they already rolled 30 people.
There go 12! There go 12!
Nah, they can't.
Man, 12, but they ain't stopping shit, man. Ain't nobody going nowhere. Not again. Not again. Imagine. Man's walk where they all be side by side.
They about to start shooting.
I would say stick the smallest one.
Shoot me first. Let me stop.
I say, you know what? I would say he's a little darker than me, so I think he should go first. Oh, they walk up to them, we walk up to them.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a standoff.
Not doing this.
Boy, go! Can't fuck with him. Can't fuck with him. Y'all know what that mean, man. Yeah, I'm trying to follow them too. What? Well, as y'all can see, man, this ain't the best night for us. This ain't the best night, but you know, we ain't gonna go home yet. We gotta stay out a little while and ride with the boys.
Oh no, we're from Greenville. We're from before.
We don't have a problem with the man. As long as it's not
It
illegal.
would probably be something as simple as contacting the property owner and saying, hey, you mind Saturday night? They're probably going to tell you, don't be doing any burnouts, don't be doing any donuts, and stuff like that. But
Keep it in the streets, you niggas won't be, but ain't no nigga gon' disrespect me. You pussy ass niggas, all you do is type of tweet. Draw his toe, he do the crazy feet. Y'all nigga pussy, y'all sleep. Nigga will next ain't the rules compete. Bitch on my dick, all she do is so to me. Bro, the gang gon' be on the team. I'm a little nigga, but they look go to me. The glick got dick, fuck a nigga up for me. Nigga, I'm a goat, TP. Got screw niggas gon' roll you for me. Nigga, I'm a murderer, kill the beat. Yo, bitch on my dick, cause it's
Third meat spot. Nah, it ain't looking too good, man.
it ain't, bro.
But shit, I got y'all on the way home, man. I'm gonna have some crazy shit. Somebody gonna do some crazy shit. But hey, until then, I'm out, bro. Badly. Oh, I know him. Ooh.
Is that a GTO?
Yeah.
Is it? Shit. What, he's doing a burnout? Oh shit, let's get closer. Do we want to get closer or?
It depends on what he do. Word.
Give us all tickets. Give us all tickets. Here we go. Here we go. Everything gets about to go to Charlotte, book. What you doing? You staying here in Layman Scream, man?
Fuck
Come
no.
to Charlotte.
What you doing there?
Right? Cool. Oh, he got a color match.
Oh. What happened?
Yes, head on. Because he decided to go to the other side of the road and try to turn in the
He went head on?
So he got stopped on the outside of the road. So the cop came up like this. Now he's fucked.
Wait, who? Mario.
And
Oh.
I did that,
So
but I didn't get stopped. I went on the wrong side of the road. I was going head on cars. They like beep beep beep.
Oh God. That was you. But I knew it was like S550,
He was zooming too, bro. He went down.
Bro went on the other side of the road.
He fucking went down the wrong way. He's fucking poured that bitch.
yeah, we know. Once he got pulled over, my nigga almost got my ass.
It was me, Wilton, Camaro, and Mario. We all three bumped ass. Cop flew up behind me, blue lights me. I move out the way. Camaro moves out the way. Wilton's still going. Gets Wilton, pulls him over. Wilton got a warning though because he couldn't clock our speed.
You know South Carolina highway.
So we're doing great.
Oh, tell him.
Niggas doing burnouts.
Word. Hey. Oh shit! I like go.
Everybody's running. I don't know why.
Oh God! Hey, black people don't got no choice, bruh. Try to bust the spot. Oh shit! They think we're fucked. Oh shit! Hey, they think we're fucked. Oh God! Buddy! Oh shit! Not today, sir. Not today, officer. Get the car behind us. Bro, I told y'all listen to me long enough. Some crazy shit gonna happen, man. I knew it, bro. Hey, it's alright though. They ain't get me. Fuck Toyota. But they like the film meetup spot, bro. Fuck 12. They won't leave us alone, man. But we not.
Yo, y'all going home or what?
We're about to. You want to?
For real, bro?
Y'all want to go home?
They're everywhere.
Sure, they are.
I just gotta pee before we go anywhere.
Yes.
I do too, bro. No cap. Man, tell them.
Right past Gastonia.
Ooh, new spot.
Yeah, right.
New spot. Well, I got one more spot left in me. If this one fails, I'm calling it a night, man. I'm calling it a night. We're at the last spot, man. Doing good, but damn, you know who come. You know, they just won't leave us alone, bro. But hey, we about to go to the other meet, like the field one for the night. These boys are about to race for 500, I want to say. But I don't know. I'm gonna keep the t-shirt really hard. Oh.
Tell her the dragons. And here we got a CAM SS 6.2 motherfucker.
Ooh.
Driven by tape, but see not the tape you think. 6.2 underscore
Y'all
tape.
see it, man.
This one's CAM. This one's way faster, and he know how to drive better than tape. This one's lady driven.
Okay.
Definitely already knows to drive better than tape.
What else we got on the lot?
Oh, let's see. We got the Bree Wannabe right here.
Okay. 2.0.
But not wrecked.
Got Eli slow shit.
He matches car no matter where he goes. Socks and all, don't matter. He matches car. He matches all. He don't give a damn.
Oh God.
Hey, look, Brandon done put up. I don't know who's here.
Mad cause I'm fucking with a new bitch. Damn, I'm on some new shit. Started off small, now I'm trying to get a crew lit. Rock chose me, first round pick. Club hang out like a motherfucking pool stick. Need one carry 30 cause I'm ruthless. Running something back, I said, damn, woo shit. RP, pop smoke, no rules shit. Different apartment, same complex, like 4 times. I really been caught the signs. Serving nigga grass for a grab just to give me a dime. I was really young, just trying. Hop in the car with the guys, me and Will just rhyme. We ain't even think about slime. Plus we know the ops in the house like 24/7. Them guys.
In Mexico City. That's what I heard.
You know what's gonna be bad when everybody comes. I mean, all the cops come and everybody wants to dip out. Fucking vanish.
Oh yeah, we
Facts, bro.
That's exactly what I'm talking about.
In the vlog, bro? Yes, sir.
Black Power. Black too, hell yeah.
That bit moving.
Oh. This shit ridiculous.
You got a manual too?
Y'all see that? That has a bumper. Oh! Sim City? Where's Sim City?
Hey man, they done influence y'all niggas down, fuck up the streets for a minute, so I might as well go fuck up the streets for a minute, bro. Fuck it. Found the new spot to race at, man. Hey, oh, woo, the fuck? Ain't nobody fucking with me from no dead, man. Gap the SCAT. Second time he won, but hey, we ran that shit back and I got him again. So fuck you saying. And the only reason the nigga won the second one, cause the nigga who fucking called the race, he called it wrong. So instead of me going, I got back on the brake to wait for him to reset the race, but he never reset the race, and I took off after he had already took off. So I really didn't lose, but yeah, like I said, me and my baby don't lose, man. Y'all see my bit, man. Somebody fucking with me from the dead. Had to get my homeboy. Got him too, but I ain't even gonna put that on the record. But against the Muscle car, I'm fucking 7-0 in the past month. Okay, that sounds good. I know it. But hey, it been a crazy ass night, man. I'm in Charlotte, about to head back to Clint. Hey, I'm out, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Shit, subscribe, turn on that post notifications. What you talking about? I can't, ain't around.
Been had money, I just wanted more. I don't want the Pacific come with a fro. Fuck a look like I ain't Norbit hoe. Police came for me, about kick down the door. Say that I do, but don't fuck with that hoe. Told me stay down, boy, you destined to blow. Like a 6-man, they be waiting to score. Fuck a red like they ain't waiting no more. I'm at them chill, know they heat on me though. Remember them days I walked to the store. Used to be lacking, ain't lacking no more. 7-11, we crashing that hoe. Get that shit up, send your ass down the road. 2 guns blazing, on hot like a stove. Lit like a J, I be fucking with hoes. Running from 12, I done fucked on my clothes. Must need some quarters, you changed on your folks. When it was cold, only time that I froze.